Ladies and gentlemen, we are live.
Let's get ready to rumble!
I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody. The double champ does what the he wants.
Good morning, and happy Tuesday. Market is rebounding today from the huge sell-off yesterday. We can see on the charts, starting from Asia session here, expansion to the upside, followed by expansion London session to the upside, and New York is doing the same thing. Healthy open on the major stocks here. Tech companies all positive, and even we go Goldman Sachs as well, pushing bullish. So it seems like the market is rebounding, trying to take these previous day highs. So the session was taken, and now we are pushing to the bullish momentum. And if we can see, green gaps was created, which is a bullish gaps created, and the price based on the data, S&P is at the open 84, 85 points now. It's 10 a.m. First 30 minutes, I stay away from trading first 30 minutes. We let the market settle and see to give us an indication where we're going and which liquidity that we are seeking towards. Most likely the day will be taking, which is this side. The PDH is going to be taken out most likely, since the side is bullish, so those guys most likely is going to be taken out, and then we will see if we can have an opportunity for entry. We will try to enter and get us some action for today.
Ain't believing us. God did. Another one.
Let's go and see what's going on. As for the news, we've been watching the news too. Gotta keep your eye close to the news to see what's going on, right? Because what happened yesterday with the huge sell-off, there's push to the downside. That's because of what happened in the major news with DT. Saying that Jerome Powell, we're gonna fire him, and those things the market they don't like, right? So that's what the Dow dropped. Huge big drop, almost 1,200 points yesterday. So if you take a look at the Dow Jones, the Dow Rooney is closing. So this gap was taken and filled to the tick. We can see. These gaps are closed, so the gaps that we put together they are valid gaps, because it seems like the market, they're going to keep taking these gaps and filling them. So something that I've been doing seems like it's right. Again, targeting the day highs as the previous week low. We're not worried about that now. The PDH, previous day high, the previous Asia with this gap, this is a healthy target right here, that the market will seek that target most likely with the push to the upside. So if we keep our Josh to the bullish change of character is where our setup most likely gonna target and hit. So we will see if we can have an entry today. If the market show any reversal signs after the days taken out, this is where I'm gonna target the lows, right? So as far as taking a bullish now buy, it's not a recommended to take that buy because New York AM just swept London in the high side and the upside or the buy side, and we are not, based on our trading setups, I'm not gonna enter a buy now because it's not a good price. It's not a good discounted price because now we can see that we're in the premium area. So if we want to go in the buys, we gotta be close to the we got to be in the equilibrium. So if the price pushed down to the equilibrium and fill these gaps out, and then we are not we still gonna go target the previous day highs, then it will be a good entry at the equilibrium if we have any resistance here or support level, if that makes sense. There is two ways to take these trades. So if you see now, it's a liquidity grab candle, it's forming here. So that means that those guys and the buyers pushing the price. So they're pushing the price down, sellers, sorry, and they're taking them. They're gonna try to seek these gaps. So you need to know where you need to enter, right? So the entry is the key. You need to understand the market and the dynamic, and like I said before, you have to keep practicing.
Shut the hell up! Damn!
If that makes sense. So we will see if we can get an entry today so we can have some action. And as far as the news, we can take a look at the so we have a little good data, positive data, treasury, 10-year, the 10-year treasury is down a little bit, but that's fine. The market is not the uncertainty in the market is huge, right? It's news volatility, so we need to be careful and we need to protect our wallets and not blow these accounts. So what we will do, typically the 10:30 is a good ideal time to let the market rest and settle a little bit too. And yeah, it's wild out there. Yesterday was a huge sell-off day. You watched my live that I did yesterday when I had the Fibonacci retracement level, and I predicted that these levels here is gonna be taken. That's exactly what happened, right? So you can go back, watch my video, and I was like, okay, well, those guys gonna be taken, this guy's gonna be taken out. That's exactly what happened, right? It took those guys out, right? So something that we've been doing is right. Go back, watch my videos, and you will see that we don't cap here. We talk sense, things that make sense, and the market is reacting based on the sense that we're talking about. That means that we're talking about something here, right? We don't just keep shooting things and predicting, oh no, it might go this, it might go that. No, it seems like it's moving the way that I've been preaching. So price, again, PDH, previous day high, is a very great target here, this area. But again, you're entering here is not a, you don't just enter here because the price might go down, fill in these gaps and take you out, right? And this is where I mean most guys be taken out, and then the price will go exactly where they're thinking, right? Or predicting. So we need to wait. You have to be patient and you need to wait. So the price, if the price went down and start filling these gaps before the previous day high is taking, and there is a resistance that's showing us here, and these gaps they're filled, and then a change of character formed, then we take it, right? So because we know that the price is shifting back to the upside and targeting the day highs. Now it's just a push expansion to the upside. So during this expansion, the entry, it's not going to be a good entry. You're just guessing at this point, or just probably playing it, not guessing, just playing the luck side that, oh, we hope that we're not going to be taken out to the upside. And that's where you rush the trades and you're trying to make money quickly. And this is where you're getting stopped out, and this is when you are gonna get taken out.
I don't remember asking you a goddamn thing.
So we will continue watching the market, and we wait for the entry. Previous to London on Monday's taking out as we speak. Wow.
Put that cookie down now!
Let's go. Hopefully the market will give us a good entry on try today, so we can enter and make some money. You know, this is the thing, is when you trade live like this, right? So because you're showing the trades, I'm not waiting till the entry or waiting till I take the profit. So there's going to be a lot of time that you're just going to be watching, right? So there is times that you're going to be just waiting, right? So it's part of it. I'm committed to do these live sessions as much as I can, and if there is an opportunity, we're going to go ahead and take it. That's requiring being patient, and that's going to be 30, 45 minutes, an hour and 30 minutes till we get in the trade. So that's the reason why I tried, like, not even to open it in the open, like to record in the open at 9:30 exactly, since we're not taking a trade that time. So I was like, okay, let's go ahead and start timing it at 10 o'clock to see if we can catch a trade from 10:15, 10:30, 10:45. So, and that's what we're here to try to do, to be transparent as much as we can, so we can get these trade live execution. Did I say live execution?
Shut the hell up! Damn!
Let's go. $92 points in the open. Price pushing still to the upside. Those are huge targets. Huge targets. Healthy S&P and Nasdaq. Tech is nice. Oh yeah, I don't know if y'all traded yesterday or not, but yesterday was a huge sell-off, and we could have entered yesterday a trade. I did not, to be honest with you, traded yesterday. I did not take any trade yesterday, which is I don't know if I was smart about it, because Monday it went exactly it went exactly the fib level that I had put together, but I did not take a trade yesterday. Waited till today. I'm waiting till today. I'm trying to stick with my plan, and I don't want to break my trading rules, and that's the reason why. It could have been, it gave us all the indication. It was pushing to the downside. I didn't catch a good entry, and these gaps, the price was pushing to the downside so aggressively and so heavy that we couldn't get a gap that it's filled. So things that happen sometimes, right? So that's the reason why, I don't have to take a trade every day. You gotta take, be patient, wait for your target, wait for your setup, and don't force a trade. Forcing a trade, especially nowadays, market is so volatile, man. Market's so uncertain, and you don't want to force anything. You will be destroyed. You'll be taking out.
I don't remember asking you a goddamn thing.
Copy. In the copperoni. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
OBO Sound Radio.
Are we gonna enter if this gap is filled? Wait. Let me see. Yeah. Is that a... Yeah, we might have some entry here. Oh, really? I don't think that we will enter a buy position today on anything now, unless, yeah, if the price pushes down to these gaps and we see a very obvious huge resistance, might enter this gap right here, man, too. This gap is crazy. Good entry point too. So if price, so this is the thing. So you will have, what I do, I'll have two takeouts, typically two takeouts attempt in one trading session. So if we get taken out the first takeouts, if you get stopped out to the first gap, we will, and the price target the second gap, we place entry at the second gap, put our stop loss. If we get stopped out twice, we're out. We don't miss twice. You miss twice, you're out. You don't continue. You get stopped out, you come back. You know, that's why you enter the second trade. But then a third one, it's you blow your account. Keep doing that. That means that you're being hard headed, and you're trading against your revenge trading. And revenge trading, you don't want to be a trader that revenge trade, because you're just gonna lose every time.
Shut the hell up! Damn!
Let's go. Where are we gonna go, baby? Yeah, knowing that it's gonna go take the previous day high, that's the part A of the magic trick. Part B is when you're gonna enter. You enter right now here and put your TP here, and where are you gonna put your stop loss? You're gonna put it here, where the equilibrium. This is not that doesn't work. So knowing that the price most likely will go to take the previous day high, okay, that's part A of magic trick. The magic trick part B is when you're gonna enter. So you have to wait. You have to be patient and wait till the price, if it didn't go yet and the price pushes down, fill in these gaps, we enter here, we put our stop loss below this candle where equilibrium, so that's going to be an RTP previous day high. So this is when you take that trade. I'm giving a lot of sauce, man. I've been giving a lot of sauce, and I'm not charging for it. Just watch my videos, go back, watch the lives that I've been talking about, and see, and the end of the day, and look at the chart, say, okay, well, he was talking about it. He was saying that the price is going to go there, the price is going there. Go look at it and see if they did or not. Fact check me.
I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody. The double champ does what the he wants.
Six minutes till the 10:30. Handle. Look at this. From 2 p.m. This Josh was it? This change of character at 3:30. Boom. Yep. Pushing. Expansion. Boom. Same expansion. Boom. Asia. London. New York AM. So from here, when the market's like, okay, well, hey, we took these guys out. Let's go ahead and take the highs. Pretty much. That's what you need to look at it. They're like, oh, okay, let's press the button and go take the day's high. We figured it out. We figured the market out. You know, you can't cap us anymore, man. And they, you know, everything, you know, manipulation is crazy. They engineer the news the way that so they can take these big moves. But if you look at it this way, you will be like, okay, I understand it now, right?
Shut the hell up! Damn!
US 30. What's happening? Let's see what's happening at the US 30. Oh, whoa, session, previous session taken out. Wow. Previous session is out. Almost out. We already took that previous session and now continuing to take the previous day.
OVO Sound Radio.
Go. Two minutes and 30 seconds till the 10:30, and then we will see if we're gonna get any reversal signs.
Put that cookie down now!
Again, we need to be patient.
Ain't believing us.
Yes, we did.
God did.
seconds, and then we will be in the 10:30 trading zone. That's 30. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's go. We are hoping that we will get an entry. We'll continue this live for another 15 minutes and see if we can get an entry. Then we will hold to the days to be swept. Point rallies. That's go. Let's go.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
OVO Sound Radio.
Yeah. So if we don't take any trades today, we at least understand what happened yesterday, and we went over what happened yesterday, what we're targeting today as far as the gaps, and the way that the market opened today. You cannot predict where this is gonna go, right? So push to the upside, everything is bullish, you wait for the entry. It didn't give you a good solid entry here yet, so you wait. After the sweep, we see, are we gonna go equilibrium and go previous day high? Are we gonna push up to the previous day highs and then take these guys out, then take sweeps to the downside? So today I will, as soon as I get a trade and a entry, I'm gonna record that trade live as I enter, and I will post it in my videos like I've done before. So, you know, we go live, we see if there is a trade will play out during the live session while I'm going over the market and the predict what we're predicting that the market is going to go head to and target. So we can go, if there is a trade, we take it. If there's not a trade, I will go ahead and in the live, and then I record one if I get in a trade, even if I do it mobile, because I tried mobily too. Like I use the TradingView mobile app to trade as well if I'm away from my computer. So if my alerts hit, I have them all the time with me, right? So if the alerts hit, sometimes I take it from my iPad, sometimes I take it from my phone, depends on which device I have, and I can set my TPs, take profits, and record too. So there is recording too that I can do on these mobile devices as well, so we can keep the transparency and we can show that we don't just take L's, we take W's, right? And this is what we do, is we need to make sure that the W is bigger than the losses so we can be profitable. And that's at the end of the day how it is, man. You know, if you're a profitable trader, this is where we're gonna focus on, just to be profitable and not blow your account.
Shut the hell up! Damn!
Man, shut your...
Let's go. Let's go. We are, it seems like we're headed to the upside too. So based on the very bullish push with all the data that's it's gonna push. So previous day high will be taken. So, and these gaps is gonna be filled, which is this gap in particular. This is gonna be to the tick, because there is a huge gap here that was created on April 17th. And this gap, that market is going to go fill that in right there. So and then after the gap will be taken, then there's a New York PM session. So New York PM might go push to the upside or might take sweeps to the downside. We're not going to take sells on these days unless if we have a change of character formation, which is market reversal, not a break of structure. Again, break of structure is the difference between break of structure and change of character. Is the change of character happens first and then the break structure after. So break structure is market continuation. I don't trade market continuation, I trade change of character, if that makes sense. So example, in this trade here, if the price pushes down to the downside, filling these gaps, and then show a reversal and going to the upside, then we take the trade, if that makes sense. We don't take continuation, we take reversals. This is how I've been trading. And we will see if we can get any action today. Again, if I get any action today, I will make sure to record that action and see if we can take W's or take L's. I'm gonna record the L's too. So if take a loss, if it's a loss, it's a loss. I will post it.
I don't remember asking you a goddamn thing. Man, shut your...
So for now, I'm gonna call it a day, and then we continue. Since we didn't have any action, it's been almost 45 minutes, and I will again record when the price will give us a good solid entry, because we don't want to force the trade. And for now,
I'll say goodbye.